What's up guys, Dr. Goldbeck here, and today we're going to talk about the adductors, the groin. Now, I've seen a lot of this in the office lately, and this is something that I feel like most people deal with. A lot of us have tightness in the adductors. It's a very, very common thing, but we also have weakness there. Many times that tightness is there because our brain just doesn't feel safe. We're not strong enough. So today I want to go through a few ways that we can stretch them to start to open them up a little bit, for one, but we also want to add some strength to this area because these can wreak havoc on our body. They can cause all kinds of things from low back pain, hip pain, knee pain, all kinds of different things. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few ways to stretch and strengthen these to see if we can take care of any of the issues that we have going on in this area. First thing I want you to do is a bit of a stretch that's going to open up the adductors, but it's also going to work some on the Achilles and calf. You're going to feel it in a few different areas. What we're going to do is we're going to start in a lunge position. From here, I want you to take one leg out to the side, and then I just want you to sit into a stretch here. Now you're going to feel some here, you're going to feel some down here, and we're basically going to find that comfortable position where we get a stretch. And I want you to hang out here for 2 minutes. Get your 2 minutes on this side, and then you're going to swap and do it on the other side as well. All right, so now we're nice and stretched out, so let's add a little bit of strength to that new range that we have. We're going to use something called Copenhagen adductors for this. Now you can use any sort of a box that you can put your leg up on. I like this one because I can put my other leg through the bottom there. And we'll start on the knee, because these can be pretty difficult, but we're going to have one knee on top of the box, and we're going to go into like a side plank with this. You should feel this mostly in the groin there, and you can do holds like this, or you can do taps where you drop the hip and lift it back up. Now as we get stronger, you can go all the way out onto a straight leg like this, but this is rather difficult. So start with the knee until you get comfortable with that position, and what I'll usually have you do is do anywhere from a 10 to a 30-second hold, or you can just do 10 taps, whatever feels comfortable to you. With this, I'll do anywhere from 3 to 5 sets depending on how it feels for you. All right, now we've added a little bit of strength with that, so we're gonna do our next one, which is a hold in this middle split position. Now, usually what I like people to do is get comfortable holding here for 30 seconds, and then start to try to build yourself up to a minute. It's more difficult than it looks, so start not quite so wide and build your way out. Once you get to where you can hold here for a minute, we're gonna work our way out a little bit. Start with that 30-second hold. Once you build your way up to a minute there, you can work it out even more, but we really only want to work out as far as you feel comfortable doing. This, you can work it all the way out to a middle split if you want to, but really we just want to strengthen these enough that we don't have that hip pain or knee pain or whatever it is that we're feeling. So feel what works the best for you. Go as wide as you feel comfortable, and if it feels good, you can continue doing it, but if you feel like you've fixed your problem, it's up to you. All right, so now you have a way to stretch and a few ways to strengthen the adductors that should help take care of all kinds of things from back pain to knee pain to hip pain, any kind of pain that we have around that area because of our tight and weak adductors. So go ahead and give these a try, because if you can fix yourself, you should. And if you can't, we're here.